Speak English by describing scenes. Part 1. Scene description. This picture shows a busy outdoor market on a sunny day. A smiling woman is buying apples from a young man who is wearing a green apron. The woman is holding one apple in her hand while the vendor is talking to her. In front of them, there is a wooden crate full of fresh red apples. On the right side of the image, two children are enjoying ice cream. One boy is eating vanilla ice cream, and a girl is eating strawberry ice cream. In the background, more people are walking around and shopping. Some stalls are selling fruits and vegetables, and others are selling clothes. Vocabulary from the scene. Vendor, a person who sells things. Cradle, large wooden box. Stall, a small shop or stand in a market. Apron, clothing worn to protect clothes while cooking or selling food. Fresh, recently picked or made. The more you practice, the more confident your English will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more picture-based English learning. See you in the next video, and remember, every picture tells a story.